Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosecant of x, that is about 1 over sine x. Sine 3x, we have 3 sine x minus 4 sine x to the power of 3. So this one, we put this one gone here. This one we change for this one. Now sine x divided by sine x to the power of 3 divided by sine x, we have like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. So I will put this one gone here. So number 4 divided by number 2, we have number 2. So negative number 2 multiplied by this one, and we have like this. So number 3 minus number 2, we have number 1. So number 6 multiplied by this one, we have number 6 plus number 12. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 6, we have 6x. The next one, we have 1 over 2 sine 2x. And I will put about c. Now we need to simplify. Number 12 divided by number 2, we have number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.